Sealing and waterproofing windows and doors with brick mold has always been a cumbersome and disconcerting problem for the construction industry. Litigation over window and door leaks have cost the industry over $3 billion in repairs and litigation annually. Research has shown that the majority of installers use caulk as the principal waterproofing solution for brick molding. Is there a better solution? WeatherBlock has developed a solution to the brick mold sealing issue. Brick Mold Seal. Brick Mold Seal is a peel and stick gasket product that stops air and moisture, incorporating WeatherBlock's closed cell, cross-link foam, and micrograb adhesive technology. Brick Mold Seal is 100% waterproof. It stops air infiltration, which reduces energy costs. It has the ability to seal even unleveled surfaces. And yet, Brick Mold Seal can withstand building movement caused by expansion and contraction. And of course, it can accommodate cosmetic caulk for a finished look. Brick Mold Seal contains no harmful VOCs, is mold and mildew resistant, and requires no primer for adhesion. Brick Mold Seal can be installed in a wide range of temperatures, is more cost effective than caulking, and maintains a permanent seal. And of course, comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Brick Mold Seal by WeatherBlock. If you would like more information on this exciting product from WeatherBlock, send us an email or call us, or visit our website at www.weatherblocksystems.com.